conflicts. Data is everywhere, but only a few know how to turn it into powerful insights.
Today we will be looking at how we can use some function to calculate the total amount of sales or total amount we have in a data set. So let's dive into what we have today. So we could see data set that has 5 columns: the items, the store, the unit price, the quantity, the total price. So we want to use the DSUM. Then we highlight database, which is all the columns. Thereafter, the field we want to get total value of, which is the fifth field, the fifth column. So you 5, then comma, then criteria. You highlight this criteria, the unit price and the quantity. You see we have our value already, given us the sum of total sales that are less than 300 for the unit price and greater than 15. Okay, so also that for the average. Also the average, we highlight the whole column, comma, then the fifth column, which is the field we want to check for. Then we'll also highlight the criteria. We highlight the criteria, which is the unit price and the quantity. Then we close the bracket and we hit the enter key. Then let's repeat that for the count function. We want to count the number of products or the amount that are less than 300 and above 15 in quantity. So we say the count, then we highlight the whole table data set. Okay, then comma, then we count to 5, which is the fifth column that has total sales. The fifth, then criteria, we also highlight the criteria we are using, which is unit price less than 300 and quantity. So let's also repeat that for the mask. The mask simply means the maximum. Okay, you want to get the maximum amount. So we want to get the column or the product that has the maximum sales. So we use the criteria. Then we could see 20,000 is the highest total sales, which is on laptop. Then we also check out for the last one, the minimum. So we put equals the minimum database. We highlight the whole data set, then comma, then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth column, total sales. Then we also highlight the criteria, the unit price and the quantity. Then we hit the enter key. So now let's change the data type to dollar, to currency or accounting. Then let's change the quantity value and see how it affects our result. Okay, for this is more or less the same. At 20 we have more or less the same value. Let's check out for the unit price. Let's use 330. We'll see that the changes. Okay, let's try 200. We'll see the changes. So let's do changes on the quantity. On the quantity, you can see, let's take it to 30. We'll see how it affects our data. So with this we can have an effective